students. In the previous videos, I let you know that how to start BlueJ and how to write the first BlueJ program. Today, once again, I am going to revise your previous concepts so that you can get perfectly through the Java programming concept. So, how to start BlueJ? After installing BlueJ, you will get BlueJ this type of icon on your desktop. This type of icon. This is penguin icon on your desktop. You have to double click on this icon and then you will get the new window. First time it takes some time, a few seconds. So first time when this window will open, it will look like this. You have to double click on class, or you can also create a new class. If you want to delete an existing class, so right click on this class and remove. Okay, remove. Now create a new class. You can again create a new class. Suppose class name is given CL. Okay, here this will appear, and after that double click this CL, you will get the code window where you can write the program. But today I am going to know that how to download BlueJ. In the first class, I let you know that how to install BlueJ in your computer. First of all, you need JDK and then you need BlueJ. And after installing JDK, you have to install BlueJ. But today, I am going to tell you that here is a package in Google from where you can install BlueJ with JDK as a bundle. You don't have to separately download BlueJ and JDK. So first of all, open Google Chrome or whatever is the browser in your computer. So internet is not connected. I'm going to connect the internet. Okay. Hotspot is on. Now here it is connected. Now open Google Chrome. So net is a little bit slow. Just wait. Google is opening. I think net is too much slow. Yeah, Google is being open. Now here you have to type free download BlueJ bundled. Here in the Google you have to write free download BlueJ bundled. Look like this. You have to type in this way. After that, whenever you will search, you will get, remember here the location. You will find this location in your browser. Okay, this location, once again I am listing it. This file location, this osdn.net, you have to open this one. So just you can open with right click or simply clicking on this. I am opening with right click, open link in new tab. In new tab, the link is being opened, the website osdn.net is being opened. So just wait. When it will open, you will get a link here. Just I am marking the link what you have to click. This is the link which you have to click to download BlueJ bundled. So just look here, click on it. A new navigation will come on the window, and after that your download will start shortly. Here it is written, your download will start shortly. It will take some time, few seconds, 10 to 15 seconds, depends on the situation. Yeah, reverse counting is started, and wait, yeah, here in the bottom, look here in the bottom, you will get this type of message. This type of file can harm your computer. Do you want to keep BlueJ bundled? Okay, so this type of, it will give you the message, but you don't have to be worried with this message. you have to click on keep button. Keep. It will start downloading. After downloading, just I'm ignoring it. Actually it is already installed in my PC, so just I'm ignoring it. Cancel. I'm canceling the download. After installation, you have to double click on this icon. Here I have installed, I have downloaded Blues bundled. Yeah, here is this. Just double click on it. After double clicking, you will get this type of window. Here you have to click on next button and simply next you click on next button. Automatically it will be installed. And after installation you will get this icon on your desktop. Now today once again I'm going to revise the previous concept. Previous concept means previous program, that how to write the Java program. So first of all, once again, what to do? Let us start with the initial. Click on new class. You will get this small window where you have to type the name of class CL and remember this class name CL or anything. Suppose I am writing here test. The class name will be test. So remember this class name test. Okay. Now double click on this test. You will get this code window. First of all, press Ctrl A to remove all the previous syntaxes written in this window. Ctrl plus A to select all the syntaxes and press delete button from your keyboard. Okay. Now start class. What class name had you given earlier in the small window? That was test. So write here class test. Now curly bracket, opening curly bracket. After writing class test, you have to give opening curly bracket. Now give here public static void main, everything in a small, and starting with capital S you have to write string AR, then opening a square bracket and closing a square bracket and close a small bracket. Press enter and opening curly bracket of public static void main. Previous opening curly bracket was for the class, this was for the class, and this is for the main function. Now if you have to print, you will have to write system.out.println Madonna. That Madonna should be written within double quotes because this Madonna is to be printed as it is, means as it has been written. Now main function closed and class closed. Okay. Now after writing the program, after completion of program, you have to compile using this compile. Just focus on the cursor position, compile, click on compile. You will get file saved. Okay. File saved. Now close this window and right click on this test and click on void main. Void main. As you will click on void main, you will get this window where you have to just click OK button. You will get the output Madonna. Okay. In this way, you can write the first program. Now, let us know some more concepts. Suppose if you have to write system.out.println school. Okay. Two syntaxes has been written here. First syntax is system.out.println Madonna. And the second syntax is system.out.println school. Now compile it. No syntax errors. Close and right click on the test. Void main. Okay. You will get the output in Madonna and below it school. The line has been changed. Why the line had been changed? Because this is the concept of println function this println function, what is the functionality of this println function? That println function is used to print anything on the output screen, and after printing it changes the line. Means after printing Madonna, it has changes the cursor, and the next line will be, and the next syntax, next word, whatever is to be printed, will be printed in the next line. Okay, so here is one more function. Instead of println, you can also use print. Print. What is the difference between print and println? Just look here. I am writing here one more syntax. System dot out dot print Darbhanga. Okay, Darbhanga. Here three syntaxes has been written. You'll clearly see the difference between print and println. First syntax is with print Madonna. Second syntax is with println school, and the third syntax is with print Darbhanga. Just look here. First of all, each time you make changes in the program, you have to compile. So compile the program, class compiled, no syntax errors, and then close it. After closing, right click on this test and void main. Okay, what are you looking on the output screen? Madonna and school comes in the same line. Madonna and school has been displayed in the same line, but Darbhanga in the next line. Why it happened so? Why it happened so? Because now compare the two. Here, let us know what happens here. System.out.print Madonna come in the programming window. System.out.print Madonna. Look here, print Madonna. Okay now? Just marking here. System.out.print Madonna. Here print function has been used. So what actually does the print function? Print function prints anything written within it, along with it, and does not change the line. Does not change the position of cursor. The cursor remains in the same line at the end of the text. So what actually happens here? Madonna has been printed and the cursor remains at the end of A. Okay, it means the syntax, the text written after Madonna will be in the same line. So here in the next line, what you have printed? Madonna system.out.println school. This school was printed just after Madonna, because in the previous syntax, just removing it, in the previous syntax, print function was used. It has printed Madonna. It has printed Madonna. Actually, mouse is not working properly, so the font is not being proper. After printing Madonna, the cursor is at this position. And you know, in computer, text starts typing from the cursor position. Cursor position is at the end of A. So the next syntax that is going to be printed, print ln school, will start from here, from the cursor position, and so on. Okay now? So, and after that, here is print ln school. So after printing school, print ln will change the line. That's why after school, the cursor position has been changed to the next line, and that's why the next syntax Darbhanga is printed in the next line. This is the main concept you have to know. So actually, what is the difference between print and println? If you are asked that what is the difference between print and println, so actually uh, print does not change the line after printing, but println changes the line after printing. So this is the main difference. You have to recall it. Okay. Now let us know one more concept. Here in the output screen, once again look what actually happens here. In the output screen, Madonna and school are बिल्कुल totally close. Now we have to give a space between Madonna and school. How will you give space between Madonna and school? So let us change the program. Just after Madonna, you can give a single space. Just after Madonna, you can give single space. It means what happens exactly? Madonna space will be printed, line will not be changed, school will be printed after a space. So just compile the program and look the output. Compile from here, compile, close, right click test, void main, okay, and here is space between Madonna and school. So once again, I'm making some more changes. I have to give a tab space. Tab space means that is the tab keyword on your keyboard. Tab key on your keyboard. What exactly it does? It gives more spaces than the space bar. So exactly if we have to give more spaces, how can we use tab space? So for tab space, here we have to use a symbol. What is that symbol? After Madonna within the double quote. Remember, within the double quote after Madonna, this slash, this is called forward slash. This is called backward slash, and this is called forward slash. We have to use forward slash with n. So it becomes slash n. Slash n is used, forward slash n is used to give tab, sorry, not slash n, slash t. Slash t, forward slash t is used to give tab space. Slash t is used to give tab space in the program. So now compile. Compile, close, right click, void main, okay. Look here, Madonna School Darbhanga. So these are the concepts. So let us revise what we have did today. I'm using the notepad. First of all, we knew print. Let us change the font. What is the use of print function? This function is used to print anything on the output screen, but does not change the line of execution. Now, what exactly println does? This function is also used to print anything on the output screen, but changes the line of execution. Okay. Now, next, you knew about slash t. Slash t is always written as forward slash and t within double quotes. Always remember, it is always written within double quotes. It is used to give tab space on the, in the output. Slash t is used to give tab space in the output. Okay, these three things you have learned. Now, what exactly you have to do at your home? If you have installed, I hope all of you will install Blues that I have given you the instruction. You have to create your profile. That first of all you have to write your name, then father's name, then mother's name, all the dash should be in the same line, address, date of birth, contact, then contact, then class, sorry, first school, then class, then roll, and finally hobby. Okay, so you have to create your profile. Here on the top you have to write your profile. Profile should be written in the middle. Here in name, after dash you have to write your name. Suppose Ravi Kumar. Father's name, whatever is the father's name, that should be written here. Then mother's name should be written here. Then address should be written here. Then date of birth should be written DTMMYY. Contact. After doing this program, if you will complete this program, your concept of print, println and /key, everything will be clear. Okay, so I think all of you can do it. It's very easy, and if you go all the videos one by one with consciousness, the programming will be very, very, very easy for you. Okay, so I hope all of you can do. Now I'm stopping this video here. Thank you.